Today I'm checking out this XPAC 18 drone. It was sent to me at no cost so that I can do this review. So let's take this thing out of the box and check it out. When you take it out of the box, you're going to find everything packaged inside of this nice molded case. I really like cases because when you get something like this, it needs to be protected, and this lets you protect it and store it at the same time. So I really like things with cases. It even has this little zipper pouch up here so that way you can put, all of this extra accessories in it or anything else you buy. So you got the remote, the drone, then you've got two batteries, a battery charger, you've got extra, blades for the drone. Comes with a screwdriver, so you can put these batteries that it also comes with inside the remote, and you've got a manual. So I recommend reading the manual if you have a little bit of time before you start trying to take the drone out, because there's a lot of good information in that manual that help you get up and running a lot quicker. So I'm going to charge these batteries up, and then we're going to take it outside and test it out. All right, so I've got it ready to go. This one is the XPAC 18, and it's got a 1080p camera in it. As you can see, I've got it hooked up to the app here on my phone, so I can see, basically everything as it's flying. So I'm showing you this now because I'm not super experienced with drones, so I'm not going to be able to show you all of this while it's flying around, but it does have a really nice, crisp and clear camera, and it's going to let me see everything while it's flying. All right, so I've got this thing out in the street. I've got it in headless mode because I'm not a really good drone driver. I would definitely consider myself novice, so headless mode really helps. That way you just know what orientation you need to be looking at. So this drone right now, as you can see, is on the ground ready to go in headless mode. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to just fly it over and land it in the yard. So again, I said I wasn't really good, but what I really like about this drone is it's been really super easy to get used to. So if you want to go from 0 to, I don't know, 50%-ish drone expert, get you a good drone like this and learn on it, because this one has taught me so much in just these few minutes playing with it. So yes, do I think this is a good entry-level drone for an older teenager or an adult? Yes, this is a cool little drone, got a great little camera, and pretty much got all the features you would expect from it, minus maybe GPS. So once you get into a more expensive drone, you're going to be looking at GPS and that other stuff, but this is a great entry-level fun drone. So I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.